Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have Lisa who's getting ready to go on a jet ski with her daughter Allie. She's giving them instructions. Allie just learned how to drive yesterday, so I am prepared for them to go into the water. We'll see what happens.
Okay, Lisa and Allie. She's already whining about the freezing. Are you nervous?
Yes.
Are you nervous, Allie?
This one, yeah.
You are.
Oh God.
Get ready to start it. Turn the jet ski off.
It is so cold!
Oh well, you might as well try it again.
What happened? She looks like she's gonna cry. I'm not gonna be able to get out. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get up there. How do you get out?
You almost had it. You almost had it.
That hurt so bad.
Come up. Come over on this side.
Hey.
Wait a minute, Allie. We're not hitting the bottom, are we?
Yeah.
Oh wait, stop, Allie. Turn off.
This is gonna get ugly. Well, we could have a recording of how we ruined the jet ski.
Got caught on that stupid skirting. That's in there. I forgot that was over.
Let's follow.
Okay, go ahead and start it.
Dun, dun,
Get your butt over in the middle.
Just look up the thing. Okay. Oh my God.
Start it, Allie. Start it. I did it. I've already done it.
Fight! She got it. I got it.
You got this next time.
America's Funniest Home Videos. Can we send it to AFV, Dad?
America's Funniest Home Video.
Dad, can we send it to AFV? We could win some real cash.
That
Last time I got on, then my skirt.
Yeah, you're in a skirt. Yeah, you might win some money, $10,000.
Hello, America's Funniest Home Videos. Yeah, I want $10,000.
I'm glad you're a good sport.
Oh,
Keep your balance. Don't go too slow, Allie.
It's going straight up, man. How do
You better go, Allie, go.
Huh? How do you zoom in?
She's gonna gas. There you go.
Oh gosh.
Just push this back and forth.
I'm glad she's a good sport about it.
Oh my goodness, that was hysterical.
You gotta realize you gotta go fast to get it up off the